everyone, today we have with us the X cable metal magnetic cable, and this cable can be used for charging and sync purpose. And as on the box you can see, it has got various features like it is completely magnetic, it has got fast charging and can be used with just one hand. Now without any further ado, let's check out the cable that we get right over here. So right here we have the cable itself, and as you can see it is a nylon braided cable which is going to be quite rugged and sturdy. Towards this side we have the USB part of it, and right over here we have the magnetic connector which is going to connect these three connectors over here. So firstly we have the micro type B port over here. Let's try to snap it on. There you go. That's how easy it is to snap it on, just like that. Now if I want to change it to a USB-C, all you've got to do is snap it off like this, bring the type C connector over here, and there you go. That's how simple it is to connect it. Now let's also test out the lightning connector. All you've got to do is bring this close, and there as you can see it snaps right on. That's all folks. This was all about the X cable metal magnetic cable. Thank you so much for watching the video.
Hello friends! To unleash your creativity to draw and to take down your notes, are you still using a pen and paper? If yes, then let me present you Protonix Portable Ruffled Rewritable 8.5 inches LCD POR 628 with 4 magnets. Stylus drawing handwriting board in black color, which will change your preferences. So without any further delay, let's get started. Before unboxing, let's take a quick look at the box for some specifications. It is an 8.5-inch LCD writing board for easy writing, 4 magnet dots. It is eco-friendly as it saves countless papers and ink. It has a pressure-sensitive screen, which lets you create thick and thin lines. It comes with an erase button. It is made in India. It comes with a 1-year warranty. It's time to unbox and see the main product. It comes with a stylus. You can write or draw with a stylus or any other comparable instrument. It is a lightweight, sleek and handy device that is ideal for home and offices. The stylus is very user-friendly. It is an ultra-slim and lightweight drawing board. It comes with a writing pen slot so that you will not misplace it. It comes with a one-touch erase button, and you can erase notes instantly with the touch of this button. It comes with a replaceable battery that lasts up to 50,000 erases. It can be used as a fridge magnet or any other metal base, as it comes with 4 magnets on the back of the writing board. It can be recycled, and by using it you can communicate with other deaf and dumb people. It's only 4.5 mm thin, so you can easily slip it in your bag and go. It has a durable case and recessed screen, which is safe for school, travel and home use. With our Protonix Portable Ruffled Rewritable 21.59 cm, which is 8.5 inches, LCD POR 628 with 4 magnets, stylus drawing handwriting board, you can practice and preach environment friendliness starting at your home.